Right. Hello and welcome. My name is Kate Thompson. I am the LMS coordinator here at Concordia St. Paul, and I'm going to be walking you through today's workshop on Collaborate Whiteboard. So today we're going to go over a brief summary of the Whiteboard feature, learn how to share a whiteboard, review the different annotation tools, and learn how to interact with our students using the Whiteboard feature. First off, what is the whiteboard feature? The whiteboard allows moderators, yourselves, to share a virtual whiteboard that you and your students can annotate on. The whiteboard feature is a great tool to use in your class as it helps to increase the level of engagement, adds flexibility to your lesson, and gives you the option to save work later for reference. So how do we share a whiteboard in Collaborate? First, you'll want to open the Collaborate panel, which is the purple button in the lower right corner of the session. You'll then click on the Share Content tab, which is the arrow in the square icon. And then you'll select Share Blank Whiteboard. And as you see, we now have a blank whiteboard available for our use. Annotation tools. There are a few different annotation tools available to you as the moderator automatically. First being the Select option, which allows you to select and move objects on the whiteboard. You can use this option to resize, move, and delete single objects. So if you're looking to delete a single object on your whiteboard, you'll select it and use the delete key on your keyboard. The next tool is the pointer. Use the hand to point to different areas on the visible slide. Attendees see wherever you are pointing on the slide. Pencil. Use the pencil to draw freehand on the slide. Shapes. Use the Shapes icon to draw a rectangle, ellipse, or straight line, your choice. Text. Type text on the slide. Clear. Use clear to undo everything. So I just like to make it clear that clear erases your entire whiteboard. Again, if you're looking to erase a single element on your whiteboard, you're going to want to use the select icon and the delete key on your keyboard. Our last tool is format. This allows you to select the display color of your choice for your annotations. Now that we know how to use the whiteboard, let's interact with our students. To allow students to interact with the whiteboard, you'll want to open the Collaborate panel. Again, this is the purple button in the lower right corner of the session. Then you'll want to click on the Settings tab, which is the gear icon. Then you will select Session Settings and ensure that you have enabled the Draw on Whiteboard Files option for your participants. Now I am going to start sharing a whiteboard and we'll test it out. You should have a set of annotation tools at the top of their screen that should allow them to begin placing circles, squares, saying hello. And we should all be seeing each other's annotations and creating some very collaborative and interactive art. Yes, this is very creative, very creative. So it looks like everyone is able to successfully create annotations on the whiteboard. And again, if we wanted to save this whiteboard for reference later on, we would actually use the print screen function on our computer and save to our desktop. And again, we can see that we've got some really creative artwork up here. And that actually concludes our workshop for the day. I hope everyone was able to learn something. And if there are any questions, you can always feel free to reach out to us at lms@csp.edu. Thanks, everyone.